Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about division of polynomials. Division of polynomials. So using the division fact, you have to divide each polynomial. So what is the division fact? You have dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So this is the division fact. Using this, you have to divide each polynomial with another polynomial. So whenever you are dividing any polynomial, so if you are assuming when you are dividing p of x with r of x with d of x and the quotient is p of x and remainder is r of x. See, if the dividend is p of x, which is a polynomial in one variable x, and the divisor is d of x, quotient is p of x, and remainder is r of x. Whenever you are dividing any polynomial with another polynomial, when you are dividing using this division fact, so d of x is degree of r of x always less than degree of d of x. That means, so whenever you are dividing any polynomial with another polynomial, you have to check whether the degree of the remainder is less than degree of the divisor or not. So up to there you have to divide. After that you have to write that remainder. That means degree of r of x always less than degree of d of x. So using this division fact, we are doing two problems here. In page number 38, do this. Page number 38, do this. Divide three y cube plus 2y square plus y by y and write division fact. Division fact. So divide 3y cube plus 2y square plus y by y and write division fact. We are dividing this polynomial with y, means here this is the dividend and this is the divisor. So divisor is y, dividend is 3y cube plus 2y square plus y. So first term of the dividend, whenever we are dividing any polynomial with another polynomial, to find each term of the quotient, so we have to do first term of the dividend, always you have to divide first term of the divisor. So here first term of the dividend is 3y cube, first term of the divisor is y. You will get 3y square, that you have to write here, 3y square, y into 3y square, you will get 3y cube. So you have to subtract, plus becomes minus here. Next, first term of the dividend is 2y square. Again you have to divide first term of the dividend by first term of the divisor. 2y square by y, you will get 2y plus 2y, you will get 2y square, plus minus gets cancelled. Next y, dividing this term with y, you will get 1, so plus 1, you will get y, plus becomes minus, you will get remainder 0. So we are dividing this polynomial with y, we are getting quotient as 3y square plus 2y plus 1 and the remainder as 0. So what they are asking, divide this by y and write division fact. We have to write division fact. That means dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. What is the dividend here? 3y cube plus 2y square plus y, dividend equal to divisor y into quotient 3y square plus 2y plus 1 plus remainder is 0. So in this way we are dividing given polynomial with y and we are representing the division fact. What is the division fact? Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Remainder is 0. Next, second problem. Divide 4p square plus 2p plus 2. Divide 4p square plus 2p plus 2 by 2p and write the division fact. So in the same way you have to do. What is the dividend here? 4p square plus 2p plus 2 is the dividend. Divisor is 2p. Now first term of the dividend 4p square. First term of the divisor is 2p. So 2 2s are 4, p ones. So we get 2p. 2p into 2p, 4p square. Plus becomes minus. These two gets cancelled. Next 2p. 2p by 2p you get 1 plus 1. 2p plus minus becomes cancelled. Here 2. What is the degree of this 2? 0. Degree of 2p is 1. So degree of r of x is less than degree of divisor. That's why you have to stop the division. So this is the remainder. Now dividend. What is the dividend here? 4p square plus 2p plus 2 is the dividend equal to divisor 2p into dividend quotient 2p plus 1 plus remainder is 2. So dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder is 2. So in this way you have to divide each polynomial by, if they give any linear polynomial, you have to divide like this. So next example 7. Divide the polynomial. Divide the polynomial 2x cube 2x power 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1 by x minus 1 and verify the remainder with 0 of the divisor. With 0 of the divisor. So you have to divide given polynomial by x minus 1 and you have to verify the remainder with 0 of the divisor. What is the 0 of the divisor here? Divisor is x minus 1. 0 of the divisor is 1. Now x minus 1 is the divisor. 2x power 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1 is the dividend. So you have to divide and you have to find the remainder. After that you have to check by the 0 of the divisor. So first term of the dividend is 2x power 4. First term of the divisor is x. You will get 2x cube. X into 2x cube. 2x power 4 minus 1 into 2x cube minus 2x cube. Here plus becomes minus. These two gets cancelled. So when you observe here, you are having x power 4 term, x cube term, x square term is not there. So instead of x square term, simply you can replace with 0x square here plus 0x square minus 3x minus 1 Now minus becomes plus, plus minus 4x cube plus 2x cube, you will get minus 2x cube, plus next term is 0x square. This we are assuming. There is no x square term, means we are assuming that x square term as 0x square. Now x into what you will get, minus 2x cube, minus 2x square. X into minus 2x square, minus 2x cube, minus 1 into minus 2x square, plus 2x square. So minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus. You will get minus 2x square. Next term is minus 3x. Minus 2x square by x. What do you get? Minus 2x. So x into minus 2x, minus 2x square, minus 1 into minus 2x, plus 2x. So minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus. These two gets cancelled. Minus 3x, minus 2x, minus 5x. Next one is minus 1. So minus 5x by x. What do you get? Minus 5. Minus 5. X into minus 5. Minus 5x. Minus 1 into minus 5. Plus 5. So minus becomes plus. These two gets cancelled. Plus becomes minus. Minus 1 minus 5. You will get minus 6. Minus 6 is the remainder. So here what is the remainder? Remainder equal to minus 6. By using division fact, we are dividing this polynomial with x minus 1. We are getting remainder as minus 6. So when you observe this polynomial, here x power 2 term, x cube term, x square term is not there. That's why I am taking the x square term as 0x square. Now we are getting remainder as minus 6. So up to here we completed that one. Next, verify the remainder with 0 of the divisor. What is 0 of the divisor here? So 0 of divisor x minus 1 is, so in place of x, by substituting what you will get 0? 1 is the 0 of divisor x minus 1. So you have to check by using with 1, you have to check this polynomial. So if you are assuming this as f of x equal to 2x power 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1. Now you have to check f of 1. What is 0 of the divisor here? 1. 0 of the divisor is 1. So in place of x, you have to substitute 1. You have to check the remainder. So f of 1 equal to 2 into 1 power 4 minus 4 into 1 cube minus 3 into 1 minus 1. So 1 power 4 is 1, 2 into 1 2, minus 4 into 1 cube also 1, 4, minus 3 minus 1. So minus 4 minus 3 minus 1. You will get minus 8, 2 minus 8, you will get minus 6. So here what is the remainder you are getting? Minus 6. Here what is the remainder? Minus 6. So we are checking the remainder with 0 of the divisor here. 0 of the divisor is here x minus 1. 0 of the divisor is 1. So in place of the variable x, when you are substituting 1, what is the remainder you are getting? Minus 6. Where in both the cases we are getting remainder is same. So in this way you can do example 7. So without division fact, by using the remainder theorem also, you can do division of the polynomials. So that we will discuss in the next session. Thank you.